Hey guys, Matt from Greensward again. We're going to talk today a little bit about annual life cycles and perennial life cycles. So I have two grass plants in front of me, tall fescue, annual bluegrass. Annual bluegrass is an annual, which means in September, these nice seeds that you see around the top are going to go into the ground, and then they're going to come back out in the latter part of September, and then it's going to have the peak of its life cycle in the April, March, May time frame, and then when the June hot and humid weather hits, it's going to go away. Whereas a perennial plant, like the tall fescue, is going to stick around. If it's treated correctly, proper watering, nutrition, all the things that make it healthy, it's going to continue to stick around. Yeah, we do aerate and seed, that's also an opportunity, but technically this is a perennial plant, which means it'll stick around. Just like you have annual plants over here with some pansies through the wintertime and some other perennial plants as well. So just a little bit of difference between an annual life cycle and a perennial life cycle. Keep it green.